In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GST identification number to your Google Ads account. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate it with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Google Ads homepage and logging into your account. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the navigation area. You'll find the overview section. Click on that to bring up a broad view of your current advertising efforts. This is where you have access to many options to validate and update your account information. After that, you'll need to look for and click on the payment options, which are often represented by a credit card icon. By clicking here, you're accessing the billing and payment setup area. This section is crucial because managing your payment information is essential for keeping your campaigns running smoothly. Now from here, you'll need to navigate your way into the settings menu. This area specializes in more detailed adjustments to how your account is configured, and it's here where we begin the customization necessary for adding your GST details. Once inside the settings, you should see Payer Details. This section specifically manages the identity and legal information associated with your billing operations. Click on it to proceed to the next phase of the process. In the Payer Details section, locate the area labeled Tax Info. Here you'll find a small pencil icon. Clicking this pencil icon allows you to edit your tax information, which includes the GST identification number you wish to add. At this step, what you want to do is type in your GST identification number carefully. Ensure that there are no typos or errors, as this number is essential for accurate billing and tax reporting. After you've successfully entered your GST identification number, make sure to save your changes. This step is crucial for ensuring that all updates are applied correctly and that your account reflects the new information. Saving ensures that Google Ads can recognize your GST details in future transactions and generate the appropriate invoices. And there you have it. You've successfully added your GST identification number to your Google Ads account. If at any point you receive indecipherable errors or discrepancies, or you feel uncertain, don't hesitate to reach out to Google support for assistance. Tax information is critical, and it can be beneficial to confirm all was done correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently add your GST number to your Google Ads account, ensuring your advertising practices remain compliant and well maintained.